Hey everyone, welcome to Tell All Wealth. Have you ever wished there was a simple way to make money online, something you could do from anywhere in the world? Well, today is your lucky day because I'm going to show you how to do just that, using just one word. You heard right. One single word can be your ticket to starting a profitable side hustle. And no, it doesn't involve selling courses or anything complicated. We're diving into the world of intro and outro videos. These short clips are essential for any YouTuber or content creator, but not everyone has the time or skills to create them. So grab your notebooks, let's jump right in. Before we dive into the how-to, let's talk about why intros and outros are so important. Imagine watching your favorite YouTube video and it just starts abruptly. A little jarring, right? Intros act as a smooth welcome mat, gently easing viewers into the content. They introduce your brand, set the tone for the video, and grab the viewer's attention right from the start. Outros, on the other hand, provide a sense of closure. They remind viewers of your brand, encourage them to take actions like subscribing or checking out other videos. Don't underestimate the power of a single word. It can convey so much emotion, setting the tone and style of a video instantly. Imagine a simple, elegant animation of the word welcome appearing on screen. It's inviting, warm, and tells the viewer exactly what they're in for. Or how about a bold and dynamic animation of the word subscribe at the end of a video? It's a clear call to action that sticks in the viewer's mind. The beauty of this approach is its versatility. You can cater to any niche, any brand with just a change of word and style. Think about words like inspire, create, explore, learn, or even a brand name. The internet is a treasure trove of amazing tools for creators, and the world of intro and outro creation is no different. Whether you're on a tight budget or willing to invest in premium software, there's something out there for everyone. For those who love user-friendly interfaces and drag and drop functionality, Canva is a fantastic option. It's packed with templates and design elements, making it perfect for beginners. If you're looking for something with a bit more power and customization options, InVideo.ai is a game changer. It offers professional level features and templates that are incredibly easy to use. And for those who want to take their creativity to the next level, Adobe Spark is a fantastic choice. We'll also be exploring some fantastic free alternatives like Capwing and Panzoid. Let's dive into the exciting world of InVideo.ai. This tool is a personal favorite of mine because it's incredibly powerful yet surprisingly user-friendly. Once you've signed up for a free account, browse through their extensive library of templates and choose one that catches your eye. For this example, let's say you're creating an intro for a travel channel and want to use the word explore. Select a template that aligns with that adventurous vibe, something with perhaps some moving landscapes or dynamic transitions. Now simply replace the placeholder text with the word explore. InVideo.ai allows you to customize everything from fonts and colors to animation styles and background music. Play around with different options until you find the perfect look and feel that screams adventure. Remember, simplicity is key. For those who love free and user-friendly tools, Canva is an absolute godsend. It's my go-to platform for all things graphic design, and it's surprisingly powerful for creating intros and outros as well. Head over to canva.com and create your free account. Once you're logged in, search for video intro or video outro templates. Canva has a vast library of pre-designed templates that you can customize to your heart's content. Choose a template that aligns with the channel's aesthetic. Perhaps something with soft pastels, elegant fonts, and a touch of sparkle. Now simply replace the placeholder text with the word subscribe and let your creativity run wild. For those ready to take their intro and outro game to the next level, Adobe Spark is the tool for you. It offers more advanced features and customization options, allowing you to create truly professional and unique videos. Adobe Spark offers a free plan with limited features, but for full access to its powerful tools, you'll need to subscribe to one of their paid plans. Once you're logged in, explore their wide range of templates specifically designed for intros and outros. Choose a template that screams gamer. Think bold fonts, neon colors, and futuristic animations. Replace the placeholder text with pixel raiders and unleash your creativity. We love free tools. Capwing and Panzoid are two fantastic options that allow you to create professional looking intros and outros without spending a dime. Capwing is incredibly user-friendly, making it perfect for beginners. Simply upload a video template or start from scratch, add your chosen word, and customize the font, color, size, and animation. Panzoid, on the other hand, is a bit more advanced and requires some basic understanding of video editing concepts. Explore their library of clipmaker templates, choose one that catches your eye, and start customizing. Now that you're a master of creating stunning intros and outros, it's time to turn your skills into a profitable online business. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are fantastic marketplaces to find your first clients. Create a compelling profile that showcases your best work. Highlight your skills, experience, even if it's just personal projects, and the unique value you bring to the table. When writing your service descriptions, be clear, concise, and engaging. Use keywords that potential clients might search for, such as intro and outro creation, YouTube intro video, or single word animation. Pricing is crucial, especially when starting. Research what other creators are charging and aim for a competitive rate. Pricing your services strategically is crucial for attracting clients and building a sustainable business. When starting, it's generally a good idea to offer competitive rates to build your portfolio and attract those first few clients. Consider offering packages that cater to different budgets and needs. For example, you could have a basic package that includes a simple intro or outro with limited customization options, and a premium package that offers more complex animations, sound effects, and revisions. As you gain more experience and positive reviews, don't be afraid to gradually increase your prices. Your value increases with every successful project and happy client. Building a loyal client base is essential for long-term success. Provide excellent customer service, communicate effectively, and always strive to exceed expectations. In the world of online freelancing, quality is king. Always strive to deliver the best possible work to your clients. Pay attention to detail, use high-quality templates and tools, and ensure your videos are visually appealing and engaging. Stay updated with the latest trends in video editing and design. YouTube is a fantastic resource for this. Follow other creators in your niche, pay attention to what's popular, and incorporate those trends into your work. Communication is key. Therefore, respond to messages promptly, ask clarifying questions, and keep your clients informed throughout the process. Building strong relationships with your clients can lead to repeat business and valuable referrals. And there you have it, your complete guide to making money online by creating intro and outro videos using just one word. Remember, this is a fantastic way to earn extra income, work from anywhere, and unleash your creativity. The tools are readily available, the demand is high, and with a little effort and dedication, you can turn this skill into a thriving online business. So what are you waiting for? Choose your weapon of choice: InVideo.ai, Canva, Adobe Spark, Capwing, or Panzoid, and start creating. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to my channel for more money making tips and tricks, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I'll see you in the next one.